Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to add reviews and pictures on places in Google Maps. So first of all, you click on your Google Maps app, you click on where you wish to review. Let's say, for example, London Bridge. You swipe down to the review section, you click on review summary, and then you see here rate and review. Here you see your profile picture and you see 5 empty stars. Here you click on the 5 star, or however you wish to upload your review. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 stars. Then you type in whatever you wish to type. Nice place. And then you click on add pictures or videos. If you wish to add, you click on any picture you want and then you click done. After that, you click on post. You can also add videos of your choice and write as long as you wish to write. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.